mirror would be here, something like this. But I need to take my pencil. Hi my loves and welcome to another video. I know you've been wondering why I am making this video in the bathroom or in the toilet. This is because I want to do a DIY. Yes, I have abandoned this toilet for the longest time, right? I decided to create a toilet aesthetics for the spots, and I want to start using this toilet. I want to put everything together to my taste at least, and I want you guys to come along with me. So I've been thinking, right? I actually do not know where to place the stuff. Why is my face looking up? Sorry about this. I actually don't know where I should or where I can place the stuff. I got this like a shelf, right? I already told them to screw.
So at this point, I was done with the first shelf, and I was moving on to the second one. I think the second one was the one I particularly got correctly because I was able to drill in, and it hit the right spot, right? Yes. So apparently at this point, the drill, the drill actually, the battery ran down and I couldn't continue again. So at this point, I had to use a hammer because that was the next possible solution. So I had to use a hammer to hit the screw to make it firm. And in the process of doing this, just when I had thought I was done, process of doing this, my screw actually broke. I mean, it fell off and then the rest was inside. And then I got frustrated. Not really frustrated, but I was just angry because I just felt like I would have just left everything though, but okay. I decided to just leave everything and make it firm. So apparently that was just the highlight of the whole of the first day rather. And yeah, that's it.
Remember I said I wanted to do some of these things myself, like putting on the shelf and placing my mirror, but unfortunately I couldn't do this mirror thing myself. This is my mirror. So I couldn't do this mirror thing myself because I needed help. They needed to drill the stuff into the tiles, and I couldn't do that. I could only do the one for the shelf. That's this one. I can't see just this one.